Got another lesson for you from Machine Gun Kelly's new album, Tickets to My Downfall. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play This When I'm Gone. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So the verse is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is in C major chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Then you're going to pick the A string, B string, A string, high E string. You're going to do that again. Then we're going to go to an A minor 7 chord. So you're going to lift your ring finger and leave your middle and pointer finger where they are. And you're going to do the same picking pattern again. Then we're going to go to a G6 chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. And you're going to pick the low E string, B string, low E string, high E string. You're going to do that again. And last is an F major 7 chord. So you're going to place your thumb on the 1st fret of the low E string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and you're going to pick the low E string, G string, low E string, high E string, low E string, G string, low E string. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and pluck the B string, low E string, G string, low E string, lift your pinky finger and pluck the B string, low E string, G string, low E string, B string, low E string, G string, low E string, B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a C major chord, which we already learned. And you're going to pick the A string, B string, high E string, B string. And you're going to do that again. Then we're going to go to the A minor 7 chord, and you're going to do the same picking pattern again. Then we're going to go to the G6 chord, and you're going to leave your pointer finger where it is, and you're going to pick the low E string, B string, high E string, B string. You're going to do that again. Then we're going to go to the F major 7 chord, and you're going to do the same picking pattern that you did on the G6 chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for This When I'm Gone. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.